Hello, dears. The magic show will start soon. Please come and have your seat.
Hurry up, take your seat and enjoy the show. Hey, magic! Magic!
Let's see the first magic. What's in my hand? What? See, it's a cap. And now the magic starts. Aha! It's a coin.
Look! Many people have gathered at today's magic show. Hope we will make some profit today.
I think so. Let's make more Fhuska. Let's see the second magic. It's a funny one. At first, he finished the milk of the bottle. And the magic starts. Look, the milk returned to the bottle. Let's see the next magic. Look at this colorful box. Magic! It's a die.
Hey, look at the ball. See, it's moving. Let's the magic starts. Look, it becomes freeze. And now, see, it moves again. Look, what's on the plate? An egg. Anything else? Let's see the magic. Are, where does the hen come from?
Give me one plate Fhuska.
Which one you prefer, sir? Pani Puri or Bhel Puri?
Pani Puri, please.
This is the last magic of this show. Let's see how I turned that Pani Puri a bigger one.